Hello everyone, welcome to English with Flo. In today's episode, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in simple and natural English. If you want to speak English confidently, this lesson is perfect for you. So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after me. Let's get started. Morning routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed and stretch my body. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower. Next, I get dressed for the day. I usually wear comfortable clothes. Then I have breakfast. I eat eggs, bread, and drink a cup of coffee. Sometimes I check my phone or read the news. Now you try. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. Day activities. After breakfast, I go to work. Sometimes I take the bus. Sometimes I walk. I start my work at 9 a.m. I check emails and complete my tasks. I talk with my coworkers and attend meetings. At noon, I have lunch. I usually eat rice, vegetables, and some meat. After lunch, I continue my work. Now repeat. I go to work. I start my work at 9 a.m. I have lunch at noon. Evening routine. In the evening, I come back home. I feel a little tired, so I take some rest. Then I watch TV or scroll on my phone. Sometimes I go outside and meet friends. I also spend time with my family. Now repeat. I come back home. I watch TV. I spend time with my family. Night routine. At night, I have dinner. I eat simple and healthy food. After dinner, I relax and maybe watch a movie. Before going to bed, I brush my teeth again. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Now repeat. I have dinner. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Practice section. Now let's practice everything together. Listen and repeat. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I have breakfast and go to work. I work all day and have lunch at noon. In the evening, I come back home. I relax and spend time with my family. At night, I have dinner and go to bed. Great job! Practice this daily and your English will improve step by step. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to English with Flo. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep growing.